today is kind of a weird day. We're having a random spring snowstorm, and it's also the day that we're going to start incubating our eggs. And we have been getting eggs for the last 3 days, and we got all the clean ones. They look really good. We stored them pointy side down, and the incubator has been running now for a couple of days. It's all set up. Everything looks good. So all that's left to do is put these in, and hopefully everything works out and we have some chicks in 21 days.
Is the incubator on?
Yeah, you can come look. Yeah. Okay, so some of these are just kind of big. I'm gonna put the bigger ones on the outside, I think.
Oh, that's what it looks like. There's glass on top of it. And it has its own little heater. You can put a lot in.
Mm-hmm. Can. Okay, so I actually need to reset the days.
32 days.
It goes like this. Wait, how do I do this? How do I reset the days? Oh, instructions. Oh, okay, like this. Okay. Got it, I think. Okay, I have it now. So this will take a couple of hours to come back up to temp, just because this was open for so long while I was putting the eggs in. Got my note. This is feeling really cakey. Like, it feels like a cake batter.
Mom.
I don't know that that's good or not.
Okay.
I'm not sure this is going to be what we think it is. I have to bake so few at a time because these are kind of cakey. All my other ones kind of join together. So I'm baking a lot less.
load this and go finish filling the bed. I feel like this wood might be done.
Not good?
It's not very good. It's pretty rotted, babe. Not all of it, but a lot of it. I feel like we just burn it anyway.
Okay.
A lot of it's fine. So I think we just burn it all.
It's not bad for the chimney?
I mean, it's not ideal. You don't want to burn it all the time. But the amount that's punky is pretty minimal.
Gee.
Oh, it's a huge shame. See what I mean?
Yeah, just because it sat in the ground?
Yeah. For a long time. It's like styrofoam. Make a good archery target. It's pretty much just the stuff that's caked in mushrooms that's ruined. It's weird as the one on the bottom is fine. The spores just took to this.
Which one? No. Here comes a pretty much light one. This is too heavy for you, Torsten. No, I'm strong. It's okay, it's okay. Watch. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's heavy. I don't want you to stub your toe. What happened? You dropped it. Not heavy. I'm scared. It's too small. Torsten, come here. Look at the wall. Oh, no, it's coming. I don't heavy. Let's go.